Hi there, it's Russell here from The Presenter. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and to also read the email that you'll have received. This year, as you'll have already read, we're focusing on what we call the 4 C's, or the force of presenting. And I'm going to make it my personal mission to help everyone understand the 4 simple steps that me and my team here take to build the most amazing presentations possible. It's something that's possible for everyone to do. You don't need to be a graphic designer or have a design degree or have a decade's worth of experience delivering presentations. You can really raise the level of your presentation design and delivery very, very easily using these 4 steps. We're going to be running webinars, online training, 2-day workshops, and any other means that we can think of to deliver this information to you and people in your network. So please do share this information with anyone that you think could do with presenting in a much, much better way. So thanks again. Me and my assistant now are off to start building more materials around this. Yeah, I told you that that's what we're doing today. Can you just, seriously, just go and get me a coffee, cappuccino, thank you. Can't get the staff. So thanks anyway, and hopefully I'll see you in one of our webinars or online training or in person, whatever it may be. But I hope that you take the time to work with me and my team here and fully embrace the force.